Welcome to Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Sacramento, Fire Mountain. This week, we're rocking out in a first floor patio room. These are VIP only rooms, and your host has to request it for you. The check-in is quick, and we'll walk only 100 feet away to reach our room. Let's start with this modern bathroom. Glass doors separate both the shower and the toilet. Let's make our way into the main bedroom area. The full-size king bed is nice, but the added artistic lights and decor help this room seem spacious, even though it's just an average-size room. AC set to cold, USB plugs, and great views. Plenty of closet space, along with complimentary beach towels and sunglasses, a good-sized safe, and an acceptable mini fridge. But the ones in the silver and gold suite are way bigger. And there's a keycard gate that has direct pool access. It's a perfect VIP room for people who want a non-suite upgrade. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that bell so you'll get immediate notifications when I release a new video. Click on one of these to see more amazing suite tours from hotels and resorts.